Hi everyone, my fellow locksmiths. Today, I'd like to introduce to everyone how to handle the Alki's lost situation for a 2022 BYD Chin. Now press the one-button start button. The instrument panel won't light up, the car won't start, and it will prompt that it can't find the key. Plug in the OBD plug. Turn on the device. Chip function. ID 46 special BYD all key lost. BYD all key lost. Okay. Put the key into the induction coil. Okay. Okay, then follow the prompts. Press any button on the key, then press the one-touch start button, and repeat this several times. Initial data collection initialization has been successful. Proceed to generate the program for data collection. Insert the acquisition antenna socket into the KD X4. Place the key and the acquisition port of the acquisition antenna in the induction area inside the armrest box. Follow the prompts and press the push button start button. Okay. Wait for the calculation result. Choose the 315 MHz frequency for cars made 19 years ago. Choose the 433 MHz frequency for cars made 19 years later. Select 433 MHz. Since this car is an EV model, the frequency is likely 433.62 or 433.92. Let's try them one by one. Select 433.62 MHz. Put the key into the induction coil. OK. Select 433.62 MHz. Generate the emergency key. Generation succeeded. Test the remote control function of the emergency key. Now let's try out the emergency start. OK. Click the IMO programming. Next, perform the matching. Select BYD. Click the Select by Type. Select 2021. Click the Smart Key System. Click the Start Execution. Now place the key in the induction area inside the armrest box. Click the OK. Click the No. Click the OK. Now take out the key placed in the induction area and then try out the functions. The car doesn't respond, which means the frequency selection is wrong. Therefore, we need to go back to the main interface now. Reread and rewrite. Click the chip function. Click the ID 46 special BYD all key lost. Use the calculated data directly. Click the BYD query calculation result. Click the right data. Click the OK. Click the 433 MHz. Now put the key into X4's induction coil. Click the 433.92 MHz. Generation successful. Click the back. Select IMO programming. Select BYD. Click the Select by Type. Select 2021. Click the Smart Key System. Click the Start Execution. Click the OK. Now place the key in the induction area inside the armrest box. Click the OK. Click the OK. Click the NUS. Click the OK. Click the OK. Now, take out the key placed in the induction area and then try out the functions. The remote control is functioning normally. Engine starts normally. All functions are normal.